Guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to talk about a new machine which Samsung have just launched today here in India. This is the Samsung Ultra Slim laptop which runs on an AMD quad-core A84555M accelerated processor. It has 1.6 GHz. It has 4 MB of L2 cache. It runs on Windows 8 64-bit Consumer Edition, and then it has 6 GB of RAM, which is, I think, quite sufficient, and that RAM operates at a frequency of around 1333 MHz. You have 1 TB hard drive within this machine, within this form factor, which is amazing. Then you have a super bright HT LED display, which is quite crisp, as you can see. And however, it doesn't have a capacitive touch screen. Still, you can use it, use the modern UI of Windows 8 from the keyboard, as you can see. From these keys, you can easily use it, navigate in between. Then you have 1 GB DDR3 RAM, and then you have stereo speakers in it. The front camera is around 1.3 megapixel, which is an HD webcam, which gives you high definition quality. It runs on Bluetooth 4.0 as well. It has card slot, my memory card slot. Let's take a look over the ports on this particular machine. Here you have a very nicely designed LAN port where you can insert an Ethernet cable. This is the charging port. These are the two USB 2.0 port. Here you have a VGA out port with which you can connect this to a projector. Here you have an HDMI out as well, with which you can connect this particular machine to your TV. Here you have a 3.5 mm audio jack. On the front side of the machine you have these indicators. This is for the hard disk. This is for the Wi-Fi. This is actually telling you whether the device is charged or not. Then you have a power indicator as well, with which you will get to know that the device is actually on, the machine is on or off. Then you have a small hole over here, which is actually for the mic, for the video chatting. You have rubber paddings on this side as well as on this side. It runs on AMD Radeon graphics within the chip. Then you have A8 AMD processor, the quad-core processor. And if we take a look on this side of the machine, this machine, which is very slim, it comes with an optical drive as well, which is pretty nicely designed to be as slim as it is possible. Here you have a USB 3.0 port as well. If we talk about the charging capability of this device, so basically you can use this port for charging your USB devices even when this particular machine is powered off. So you can use the sleep and charge facility on this machine. Here you have a very nicely designed power button, which looks very good. Here you have a big speakers, which gives you a good amount of sound. If we talk about the interface is actually Windows 8 modern UI, which is again very good. So that's all from us regarding this machine. This machine has a display of around 15-inch, and it comes at a very nice specification, and it comes at a very nice price point as well, which is around 43,000. That's all from us.